Hi folks, welcome to our class. Starting an online course for the first time can be intimidating. However, rest assured that the learning curve is short. I am sure that you'll do well in this course if you put forth the necessary time and effort. The trick to online courses is to stay up with the work. If you fall behind, it is difficult to catch up. All assignments must be completed during the current week in which it's assigned. Be sure to complete them on time. If necessary, you do have 4 days after the due date to get assignments in with a 10% grade penalty. When an assignment is due, please edit your work before you submit it. Papers are to follow APA format. Be sure to submit your work to the appropriate Dropbox. On all assignments, please strive to do more than the minimum in order to receive the maximum possible grade. Try to only turn in work that you're proud of. This will assure that you will earn high grades. Our courses are fast-paced, but are doable if you follow this advice. In 5 weeks, you will turn around and be amazed at the amount of knowledge you have gained. I am here to help you. If you have any problems, please let me know during the current week. Do not wait until the week is over. This is your responsibility. If you have any problems that are preventing you from being timely on the work, again, please let me know so that we can try to make suitable arrangements for you to complete the work. My email is hrubin@email.phoenix.edu. If you need to speak to me, my cell phone number is 954-993-2898. The usual method of contact is via email. But if you have compelling problems, do not be afraid to call. If I do not answer, do not leave a message or text. Instead, call again in a little while. I do not always listen to my messages on a daily basis, but I do check my emails daily. I am excited about having you in my course and look forward to seeing you succeed. Best of success. This is Dr. Rubin.